All right, I'm excited to show you how to create a modern table plan in Onshape. So what we're going to do here, this is how we go about finding a plan online, and I'm going to recreate this in Onshape, so I have a set of plans to actually build this in real life. So I like the look of this table. It's got some beams happening on it. It's got a nice tabletop. I'm going to make this as my dining room table in my kitchen. So the things that we're going to have to learn in this are we're going to have to research the standard sizing of a table, because this doesn't tell me, it doesn't give me any information, it doesn't give me any plans, it just tells me kind of what he used a little bit, but he's selling his plans and I don't want to have to purchase them. So we're going to research the standard size of a table, understand the creation of construction planes in Onshape, we're going to understand the beam feature of Onshape, we're going to understand the materials in Onshape and understand assemblies in Onshape. So let's begin. First step, researching the size of this table. So all I did was I did a Google search of standard dining room table sizes. And I found a couple pieces of information here. Did look through images. I like to look through images here. And you can look through a lot of different images and see what it's talking about. So I found this picture, which gives me a standard height. You can choose any of these. Standard table height, 28 to 30 inches to the top surface. Countertop height is 34 to 40 inches to the top surface. Bar top height is 41 to 43 to the top surface. And an extra tall table is 44 to 47. I did the first one that I created, which was right here. I did as a standard table height. We're going to change it the second time around here. I'm going to choose a different height. So I'm going to go to this 41 to 43 inch tall table, and I'm going to choose 41 inches high. So I'm going to write that down, 41 inches high. I just have a sheet of paper right here, and I wrote that down in my notes. Now I need to find out how wide this tabletop is. So I picked up another one, and I'm looking here. My family has 4 people in it most of the time, but once in a while we have guests. And our guests, we usually bring 2 to 4 people over. And if I look here, this seats 6, and this seats 6 comfortably, may seat 8 for special occasions. It's tight on the sides. I kind of like that idea there. I can put 6 there on a regular basis, but 8 if I need to. So my 2 measurements there are 72 inches by 40 inches. So 40 inches wide, 72 inches long. So that's a good starting space for my actual table. So I got those measurements written down, 72 by 40 by 41 inches high. And now we're going to begin drawing that in Onshape.